we'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for seniors. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. This is where you'll interact with ChatGPT. If you don't have an account yet, you need to sign up by clicking on the Sign Up button, which is usually at the top right corner of the web page. Follow the instructions to create your account, using your email address and setting a password. Once you've set up your account, or if you already have one, click on Login and enter your credentials to access ChatGPT. Now, when you're on the main page, you'll see a chat box interface where you can type in your questions or topics you want to discuss. Type a message in the input box at the bottom and press Enter to send it. ChatGPT will respond with helpful information or engage in a friendly chat. You can ask anything from daily advice to complex questions, and it will try to assist you as best as it can. If you're new to using chat programs, don't worry. It's as simple as typing what you want to know and reading the response. If the text is too small, you can zoom in on your browser by pressing Ctrl and the Pause key on your keyboard to make everything larger and easier to read. Remember, ChatGPT is here to help, so feel free to ask it to explain things more clearly if needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.